Once upon a time, there was a little cute mouse village with a few little cute mice. There was a little mouse, plump and round, named Henry, who lived in a nice boot. There was another mouse named Larry, who lived in a lovely log. There was the mayor, who lived in an old birdhouse, yet a lovely birdhouse it was. And there was poor little Charlie. Charlie didn't have much. He had an old worn-out shoe for a home, but he didn't mind. He loved the coziness of it. He was such a kind little mouse. Whenever he did have a crumb of cheese, he would always share it with a poor unfortunate mouse, which often came to the village looking for cheese. One day the mayor made an announcement. One day the mayor made an announcement. All right, everyone, I need to make an announcement here. Listen up. I know y'all can hear me. I'm having a contest, and I'm selling consonant blends. Like here, that's a blend. You hear it at the end of jump. All right, now, you can buy these letters, and if you win the correct blend, you'll get a year's supply of cheese. All right, but it costs 1 crumb of cheese to buy 1 letter combination. All right, is anybody gonna start buying some letter combinations, some blends? Anybody? I will. I got a crumb of cheese right here, Mayor. That's just fine. Come along with me, Henry. Go over to the board and bring your cheese. Anyone else? Well, I got some cheese, Mayor. Oh, all right, Larry, you go on over too. Charlie? I'm sorry, Mayor. I don't have any cheese today. Well, that's all right, Charlie. There'll be another day. Don't you worry. I'm running along now, but keep your chin up, Charlie, and be looking for some cheese. All right, Mayor. All right, boys, I need you to pick a letter. You gave me 2 cheese crumbs. That's 2 letter combinations. Okay, so go ahead and pick the first one. All right, you got duh. It's not the winner, but that was a good try. And you get 1 more. Okay, good try, but it wasn't quite the winner of the day. Oh, man. We're gonna have to go find some more cheese. Come on, Larry, let's go. And so the 2 mice went off to search for more crumbs of cheese, as they wanted the year's supply of cheese. Oh, I sure hope Charlie can find some cheese. I really like that mouse. He's so kind. Well, it was evening now, and Charlie was getting ready to go to sleep in his little shoe, when along came a cold little tiny mouse named Susie. Squeak, 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 sir. Do you have any cheese you could spare? Oh, I don't. I'm so sorry. I'll go and try and look for some, but you're welcome to stay in my shoe. Oh, thank you, kind sir. And so little Susie went into the shoe to stay warm. Meanwhile, Charlie went about looking for cheese. Oh, he found some under a bush, and he brought it over to his new little friend Susie. Hey, Susie, come on out and share some cheese with me. Oh, thank you. And so Charlie and little Susie ate the cheese together. You are such a kind little mouse. I've never met such a kind little mouse. Oh, shucks. That's nothing. Sharing is what we're supposed to do. And with that, they both nibbled the cheese together. The next morning, Charlie took a big yawn. And he came out of his shoe and noticed another cheese crumb. Oh, wow! There's another cheese crumb! Oh, boy, I should just share this with little Susie right now. But maybe I should try and win a letter combination and win the whole year's supply of cheese. Maybe I will. And so Charlie took his cheese and hoped that he would win the winning letter combination. And so Charlie brought his crumb to the mayor in hopes that he would win the prize. Mayor, I've got my cheese crumb right here. All right, Charlie, that looks good, and I'm going to give you the letter combination of the day. And it is, oh my goodness, Charlie, that's the winning combination. You just won the prize. And I'll tell you what we use it in, okay? You see, we've got this word up here. Oops, I fell over. I didn't mean to do that. And it says, help. And that's what you always do, Charlie. You help everyone. And you won the year's supply of cheese, Charlie. I can't believe it. I really did. Yes, you did. And this is what it looks like. Oh, my goodness, that's huge. Oh, yes, Charlie, it's all yours. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you. And with that, the mayor and Charlie took it back to the village. It was a big thing of cheese. And with that, the mayor made the announcement. Hip, hip, hooray! Charlie won the contest, everyone. Hip, hip, hooray! Awesome! Charlie, congratulations! Yeah, Charlie, you deserve it. You're a kind mouse. Thank you for always sharing with us every time you have some cheese. Thank you, Charlie. Oh, I'm so glad you won. You're such a nice mouse. And everybody can have cheese because this cheese is for everyone. Hip, hip, hooray! And with that, the whole mouse village had plenty of cheese, because after all, if you have a winner who's generous, then everyone benefits. The end. Oh, hello there, it's me, Ellie, and how are you today? Okay, we are going over this combination at the end of a word. It says oop, as in help. You can hear it with your ears. Help. Okay, I'm going to show you our main character from our story. Okay, Charlie, yoo-hoo. Come on over here, Charlie. Charlie. Oh, there he is. He's so cute. He's a cute little mouse. Okay, well, Charlie was very sweet and kind, and he always was a good help. Okay, so Charlie, I want you to go right there. All right, we're going to spell help. Okay, I need a assistant. Okay, nice. All right, zoom in a little bit. I need a for egg. Okay, and I need my oop. There we go. Charlie is a big help. Help. Yes, he's a nice mouse. All right, we're going to set that aside and we're going to write the word help because we can. Oh, yes, of course, of course. Okay, assistant. Oh, yes, get a dark marker. Put Charlie on there. Okay, here we go. We need the and we need the E for egg. We need the O and the P. There we go. Help, help. Voila. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome. Oh yeah, we're gonna draw. We're gonna do some letter art. Okay, first I'm gonna talk about You can hear it in little tiny words like and. You can hear it at the end, or even hand, like my hand here. Okay, also in the word kind, which is what we're gonna spell. So we'll put that there, assistant. Now I need a k. And I need my I, the long I for ice. Yes, with the puddle under it. Okay, scooch over, please. Okay, there we go. Kind. 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 Okay, Charlie was a very kind mouse. Okay, here he is sharing his little cheese crumb with a friend. And her name was Susie, I believe. Okay, we're going to draw Charlie sharing his cheese with Susie. He's very kind. Okay, here we go. All right, so we'll set that aside. Get out a dark marker. We're going to draw them a little easier than they are on here, so it'll be a little less stressful. All right, here we go. Okay, start here. We're going to loop around. Just get the general mouse shape. Good. We're going to draw Charlie first. All right, we're going to draw a loop for ear, another little loop. And inside, and then another loop, and then the inside. Yeah, and then we're going to draw a big circle and then a half circle. And a dot. And then a half circle and a dot. Okay, we need a little nose. Nice. Okay, then we could have a long tail. And then we have a little leg. Two little lines. You can maybe put a little toe in there. Okay, maybe zoom in a little. Okay, maybe push it up a bit. There we go. And then we're going to draw a curve and a little foot. There you go. Okay, and now maybe a couple little whiskers. And then maybe some on the other side of the nose. There we go. Put a little cheese crumb. Okay, zoom out. We got to get Susie. Okay, so we're going to draw that shape. She's smaller. Okay, and then we're going to draw the loop for the ear, and then inside, and then there's another one, and then inside. Okay, circle for the eye and a dot. Half circle and a dot. And a little nose, little whiskers, and little whiskers on the other side. Looking good, guys. Okay, and a little curve, and maybe a little line there. That's for the leg. Okay, then we're going to do this. And a little foot. Okay, and a little tail. There we go. Okay, and he's sharing his cheese. And then you can color them however you want. He's gray with pink ears, and she's kind of a beigey color. All right, so whatever colors you want to color your mouse. All right, guys. Good job. Hello, it's me, Ellie. Okay, so we're going to talk about the ending consonant. 2 letters that says st. You can hear it at the end of fast. Okay, I am going to go fast. What's that fast? How's this? How about dancing fast? Okay, yeah, I can get into this. Uh-huh. All right, let's spell it. I need a as in feather. Okay, zoom in. Uh-huh. I need an A for apple. Uh-huh. Thank you, assistant. And my st at the end. Oh, very nice. Ast. Fast. And don't forget our list.